What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to check out the top 5 best rectangle trampolines for gymnastics that are available in the market for their true quality. We have made this list based on overall performance, price, quality, and more. If you choose from this list, you can rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please check the products link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Skywalker Trampolines Rectangle Trampoline. This following model is the most budget-friendly option on this list of the finest rectangular trampolines, in my opinion. If you're not ready to invest in a super high-quality trampoline like the ones above, but still want a gymnastic-style trampoline with decent space, decent bounce, and a decent price, this is a great option. It has Skywalker's patented no-gap enclosure, so you can rest assured that your jumper will remain safely on the trampoline and away from the pinch points, even after a few spins and flips. The enclosure design consists of upright foam-covered poles with slanted tops, keeping the net away from the poles for additional safety. You will also love how it makes the interior feel larger. Before delivery, Skywalker examines all of its goods for safety and durability. Honestly, this trampoline will not provide the same bounce or last as long as the majority of the high-end trampolines we've already seen on this list. Number 2. Happy Trampoline Galactic Xtreme. Next on our list is a trampoline manufactured by Happy Trampolines, a family-owned and operated American firm that is not as well known as JumpSport or SkyBound, but has been producing high-end trampolines for over 20 years. Their Galactic Xtreme trampoline is a commercial-grade, high-performance trampoline that is worth a look. Here are some characteristics. It has a maximum weight capacity of 550 pounds, so you can be confident that numerous bouncers on this enormous mat will be safe and secure simultaneously. It may or may not matter to you that Olympian Bode Miller endorses this trampoline, but it can be encouraging to note that serious Olympians are prepared to associate themselves with a certain product. The enclosure features a revolutionary stay-put design, and the steel frame is covered with soft cushions that bend on contact, providing excellent shock absorption if your child happens to land near or on it. It includes an extra-wide springs cover pad, a ladder for simple mounting and departing, and all the necessary components for assembly. Number 3. Skywalker Trampoline Square Trampoline. This trampoline is different from the others on this list because it is not rectangular, rather, it is square. In some ways, it's the ideal combination of a recreational trampoline and a gymnastics trampoline. So if that describes you, give this one a close look. Here are its advantages. If you don't like the heavy-duty camouflage spring pad, which blends in nicely with the yard, you can also purchase the standard blue mat. Because the springs function similarly to those on a rectangular trampoline, the entire square trampoline has a good bounce. The enclosure net has no gaps as it is tied down or woven in at every spring, so there is no risk of pinching. The round, rectangular, and square Skywalker trampolines are high quality and widely used trampolines. In addition, the price is very reasonable, so it's worth a closer look. Number 4. SkyBound Horizon 11 by 18 feet. Rectangle Trampoline. Here are some of its appealing characteristics. It has a trendy metallic gray and red color scheme that makes it look like a serious piece of athletic equipment rather than a backyard toy, which it is. This model was created by SkyBound with freestyle and traditional athletes in mind, not necessarily leisure jumpers. It weighs over 800 pounds and is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also extremely safe and durable. You know that it will not move, throwing your child off balance. In addition, it has a safety enclosure system with a height of 7.4 feet, a dual steel frame, and an extra-wide skirt over the thick foam safety pad that covers the springs. You can modify the spring arrangements to achieve the exact bounce or rebound you require, with 105 square feet of jumping area, all of which has a strong bounce and does not guide you to the center. You and your family may safely jump for hours together. SkyBound is so confident in the Horizon's quality that it comes with a limited 10-year warranty. Your children will not outgrow it in size or weight. Number 5. Zupapa Outdoor Trampoline. Consistently, once assembled, it is reported that everything feels very sturdy and safe to use. In addition, it has a generous size and jumping area, so you will have plenty of space to perform various flips and moves. It consists of a safety net, padded poles, and additional padding. And there is no space between the jumping mat and the springs. The frame has 10-year warranty and resistant to rust and the elements. Customers are extremely satisfied with the company's product quality, customer service, and free replacement parts. What I like, good price. Includes everything required. A great option for beginners. Excellent jumping surface and weight capacity. Rust resistant and weatherproof. Excellent warranty. What I don't like: inadequate written instructions. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed our work. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. See you guys later.